Hey guys, I figured for this video we take a tour of our headquarters here in Alexandria, Virginia, CADD Microsystems. We're up on the 4th floor. All right, let's go in. Here we are, Suite 400, CADD Microsystems. All right, so this is the reception area. This is where Sandra sits. This is where you'll check in if you do training. Here's something interesting. This was our last class before the pandemic, so. All right, let's take a look at the conference room here. So this is our nice customer-facing conference room, nice and fancy. Beautiful wood tables, leather chairs, big screen TV. All right, let's take a look at training room number 3. You have to pardon our dust on training room number 3. It's kind of being rehabbed, or it was kind of interrupted by COVID. We were in the process of replacing these monitors with these brand new monitors over here. And this is unusual. I don't know exactly what this is, but it seems to be a shipment of bicycles. So I don't know, and bicycle helmets. I don't know exactly who that's for, or maybe we're going on a bike trip, who knows. All right, let's take a look at our other conference room. Now this one's not so fancy. This is our company meeting conference room. So as you can see, it's a mix of unmatched tables all grouped together, and this is a pretty big room that we have company meetings and so forth. So as you can see, lots of room for all of our employees. All right, before we get to the kitchen, this is our homage to the way drafting used to be in the old days. We have T-squares, triangles, templates. Here's even a slide rule. So this is our little tribute to the way things used to be before computer-aided drafting. So this is our kitchen. We have 2 microwaves, television, places to sit. And over here, this is our cookie oven. So Nakeisha, our training coordinator, on the last day of your training, she's going to cook up some cookies for you and hopefully bribe you into giving us a good rating. We have soft drinks, and this is the last bit of soft drinks that were there before COVID. You have places to keep your lunch, and then our coffee stations and so forth. So that's our kitchen. All right, let's take a look at our remaining training rooms. Come on. This is training room 200. So it's the same size as training room 300. As you can see, both training rooms are divided by a movable partition. So in case we get really large groups of training groups, we can accommodate them. All right, that was training room 200. Here is training room 300. A little bit larger. By the way, when you're coming here to CADD Microsystems, we have free Wi-Fi. And this is the way I like to have my training room, with the lights down and actually our little spotlights there. Gives it a nice cozy look to it. So our training rooms have nice, comfortable, brand new chairs that we bought, brand new equipment. I am one of the instructors here at CADD Microsystems, so this is my lectern here where I start to do the instruction. So you can see the screen. Let's take a look at where the people who make this place work. Maybe in a future video I'll tell you a little funny story about these birds. Down this hallway is where most of our application specialists work. This is Purvi's office. She's practice manager for architecture. This is Mike's office, senior application specialist, focusing on MEP. And this closet here is a very special closet. As you can see, this is where we keep all of our treats and sodas that you'll be able to get. This is Darren's office. He's an application specialist focusing on AutoCAD. This is TJ's office. He's our Vice President of Technology Solutions. All right, here's another special closet. This is where we keep all our swag. So if you ever come to one of our events like Tech Tour or see us in Las Vegas, I don't know if it's going to be in Las Vegas again, but our Autodesk University, this is where we keep all of our swag, all the things that we hand out. And also during training, you'll get markers and pens and so forth. I kind of like this one. Model space, paper space, and this is your beer space. This is Marissa's office. She's practice manager for civil infrastructure. These are the offices of our FM systems specialists, our application specialists that specialize in facilities management. This is Sarah's office. She's part of our facilities management. Here's Justin's office, practice manager for facilities management. Here is our CAD Cafe, just a little place where we can get coffee, take a seat on our sofa. This is our wall of compliments. Down this hallway is our accounting department, also includes our human resources, administrative positions. This is Susan's office. She's our chief financial officer. This is Nakeisha's office. She's our training program manager. Here's Jen's office. She's our project manager. This is Kim's office. She's my boss, senior director of professional services. And this is the office of our president and chief operating officer, Matt. So down this wing, this is our sales department. And this is the office of our CEO, Jeff Gravitt. I don't know exactly why it says Greg Gravitt there. That's a joke that I'm not in on, but this is Jeff Gravitt, our CEO's office. Okay, so this is the area where we, as our application specialists, we put together our training workbooks like this. So we've customized training workbooks for all of our classes. And here is our Fellows Combine that puts these books together. The reason I'm pointing this out is we have another Combine over there, and I broke that one, so we got a new one. Let's take a look at where the rest of our application specialists work. This is Matt's office. He actually has two offices, one here and one in Baltimore. He's our practice manager for construction. This is Chris's office. He's an application specialist focusing on MEP. All right, let's take a look at my office. This is my office. I have a little indicator of my mood that I can choose from each day, and my coworkers know what mood I'm in. Here is my shrine to Star Wars. It's a funny thing here, I haven't been back to the office in a while, but this is where time stopped in March. All right, so here's my most prized possession in my office. This is my Rick and Morty portal gun. Let's see how it works here. Turn off the light. There you go. All right, thanks for taking the tour of CADD Microsystems, our Alexandria office. You all come back now, you hear? Hey everybody, Julius Boomer Luddite here. I've just been promoted to CAD guy. Hope you enjoyed that video. I've got something here they want me to read. Well, let's see. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share. If you have comments about the video, put them in the comment section below. And if you want to be notified when we upload new videos, don't forget to click on the bell, whatever that means. So check back for more videos on this channel. Thanks again.